Yo, sup buds? Today's video is on Acurast. Acurast. I just like to say Acurast. And it's a new DePin project. It is quite brand new. There's not even a price on CoinGecko. But somebody in my Discord mentioned it, and I want to try it out. And yeah, so this video will be kind of like a tutorial, I guess, maybe. But like I haven't done it yet, so it's gonna be a tutorial on the fly. That's what this video will be. But yeah, basically it turns your phones into cloud sharing devices. So, and they promise 250 ACU, which is their coin per month. So I don't know what that means. I don't know what that's going to be worth, but I have a rack of phones that I've chosen that will be my Acaras phones. And then, yeah, so we'll do a little step by step. And yeah, I'll give you my thoughts on it at the end of the video. So yeah, let's get this party going. Okay, this is Acurast.com's main page. I think you go to here and you go processor. And then you go become a processor. And it will take you to this page. So let's get started. It's going to want you to connect your wallet. So I'm going to put my password in. And then you're going to hit next. And then connect. And then sign. Okay, now we are in Acurast. Okay, so Acurast is now connected to my MetaMask. Now we are going to hit get started. We are going to want to go to create jobs. Nope. Devices. Okay, once you get to this main dashboard here, you're going to want to click devices. Okay, so after we click devices, now we're going to want to add a new device, and it requires us to completely factory reset our phones. And yeah, so I will go get a phone. I will try my best to show you how this works. But yes, we will have to scan that QR code through the phone. So this is the rack of 10 phones I have chosen to put on Acurast. I'm very anal about my phones, and they all have numbers, but these ones don't have numbers. So yeah, they have been chosen. And to compensate, the loss of mega hash from this, I've turned back on one of my 5950Xs. So yeah, we should still be at that 800 mega hash mark with Varus. But yes, I will try my best to show you the setup of Acurast on the phone. I'm learning this on the fly, so it has given us this QR code. And what it's going to want us to do is to factory reset our phone. So we're going to go into system here. I'll try my best here to make this reset options. Okay, factory reset. Erase all data. Erase. Okay, so now the phone is factory resetting. Once it's back to its home screen, I'll be back. Okay, so the phone is factory resetted. And now it says to tap it 8 times until you get your QR code scanner. And it's gonna want you to scan that QR code. Now it's connecting to Wi-Fi. So we'll do my Wi-Fi here. So we're connecting to Wi-Fi. This is not ideal. This is not how I wanted to do this, but this is how we're doing it. Oh, this is rocking. Okay, once this is done, I will be back. Okay, now we're on a new screen. So we're gonna hit next. Oh. And after this is done set up, I will be back. Oh, there we go. Accept and continue. It's setting up the device. Little man walking there. Yeah. We're gonna hit next. Now it is pairing. I don't know what this means, but something's happening here for sure. Once something happens, I'll be back. Uh-oh, something happened. Oh, the phone restarted. I don't know what's going on here. Erasing. Thinking like maybe you need to have some ACU in your account, maybe? Okay, first you need to fund your account. Yeah, they gave me 4 ACU. So let's try this again. I won't make you guys sit through all the boring stuff again, and I'll be back to when we were at that black screen. Okay, we are at that black screen now. It says, please wait a few minutes. So once we're back, once it's doing something, I will show you. This way of filming is very, very not ideal. I wish there was a better way. Oh. Okay, we're gonna click allow. Checking for updates. I don't know if I'm not sure. I'm just gonna accept. I don't know. We'll skip. Okay, there it is. And we have been attested, which I don't know what that means, but I think it's a positive thing. Okay, so this phone is set up. Well, let's click refresh here. Okay, there we go. We got one phone on there. Okay, cool. Now I'm gonna do that to all 10 phones. Okay, well, here are my 10 phones set up. As you can see, 2 phones have been attested. I have no idea if these phones will ever be attested. If these phones never ever get attested, I will try them on this I will try Acurast on these Orbic Joys and Q10s and see if that makes a difference. But for right now, I'm just gonna let it run because that's what this channel is about. So we'll let this run for a bit, and then we'll check back in a few weeks. Okay, so I have all 10 phones set up. It's weird because like two of the phones are attested and the rest aren't. And on the screens of the other phones, it keeps loading, saying, you know, trying to get attested, but it's not. So I'm not too sure about that. But this number has definitely gone up. They give you 4 to start, and then yeah, so this has gone up for sure. So we are making ACU. I can confirm that. I'm probably gonna let this run a few weeks. I'm gonna talk to a few guys on the Discord that know more about it. Maybe I have to use better phones, like because I'm using Pixel 2 XLs. So just like a quick update, I don't think these phones' processors are good enough. Only 2 of them got it tested, and it's been a while. And my Orbic Q10s and Orbic Joys got it tested right away. So I'm gonna switch all these to Acurast, and then I'll switch these ones back to mining phones. It's gonna be a pain in the ass, but yeah, and you're probably gonna see this you know, before I go on the tripod saying, you know, a bunch of stuff about not being attested. But now I think I figured it out that you need a decent processor in your phone for this to work. Okay, since I switched all my phones to Orbic Joys and Q10s, they all got attested right away, which I don't know what that means, but I'm pretty sure that's what you want. And my balance is going up way faster than it was before, because last time it was just 2 phones that got attested. So yeah, I think your phone needs to have a decent processor in order for this to work optimally. Okay, that was like my setup of Acaras. I'll let them run for a bit. I have a feeling like I needed to use better phones. I'm pretty sure someone in the comments will tell me that, or someone in the Discord will tell me that, because yeah, out of all the only 2 out of the 10 phones got attested, which I have no idea what that means. I have no idea how to, you know, take the coins out and sell them. I just wanted to try something new. So we're going to let that run for a bit. And if I learn that you need a better phone, I will take those Orbic Q10s and Joys, and I will set them up on those, and I'll turn those Pixel 2s back into mining phones. But for now, we'll just kind of keep it where it is. Yeah, so that was my Acurast, I guess, tutorial. Not really, just, you know, setting up my Acurast farm. All my referral codes are down below. If you go to cryptidcrypto.com and use the code Paperclip, you get 10% off. I have an eBay listing down there, or a referral down there, where it shows you how to get phones for cheap. And then I have all my Amazon referrals, everything that helped me build my farm up and keep it all nice and organized. I have a link to all my social medias down below, and the link to my second channel is down below. Some really, really, really heavy things are about to happen in my life, so that will be an interesting one to if you're interested in my personal life at all. And the link to my Discord. A lot of great people in there, and if you have any questions about anything, they usually have the answer. So yeah, that was Acurast. Acurast. And I'll check you later.